You know, the two things that I love the most about what we get to do are both people. It's like the people in the business, our team here, and then the people that are our clients that we get to help. In the team, we've got this amazing group of individuals, and it's taken a long time to get there, but these people genuinely care about what's best for our clients, and that's really important. It's one of our core values is to never put money ahead of people. Make the decision that is the best decision for the client. And they've really embraced that, and it's really made an incredible difference in the evolution of Carfix over the years. And then there's our clients, and the relationships that we have with them is pretty amazing. I was talking earlier about, we have a ton of gift baskets that come in around the holiday season. Cookies and popcorn and candy and fruit baskets and that kind of stuff. We're overwhelmed, and I think that speaks highly to the quality of the relationships that we're able to form and the quality of the people that are our clientele. Honestly, we've got some of the best clients in the world. This community is wonderful.